Hello, I'm Susie Huddleston, the Training Ambassador for Mayflower, and today I'm going to show you how to make what we call tie it with a bow with an orb balloon. The materials that are required are 4 5-inch balloons, and I have given each one of these 4 pumps each and tied them together to create a collar or a quad. The next material that you're going to need are 2 1/60s. Now the 1/60s are a little more difficult to get around the end of this pump because they're so small, and a little tougher to get blown up, but with a little practice it makes it a lot easier. So I fill these all the way up to the top and then let enough air out that I have a couple of inches at the end to work with, and then just simply tie this one with a knot. We're going to do that again, starting with a pump in the prime position. And then blowing this up until the tip has been achieved. You can see that there. And at this point I'm going to let a little air out so that I have some workability at the end. And then just tie this in a knot. Now I'm going to take the 2 ends and tie this in a knot. And now we're ready for assembly. So we're going to take our orb balloon, put it upside down so that I'm hands-free, and then I'm going to take the quad and then use the figure 8 movement to secure that this is nice and flat next to the balloon that it's sitting on. Now I'm going to take the tied ends and put them all together, and then I'm going to find the writing of the balloon and make sure that that is showing. As soon as I'm at the top, I know that because there's a little pinnacle, and I'm just going to pinch these 2 balloons and then twist. And now I'm going to put the balloons under each other and just tie a simple knot. Giving me this cute little bow. You can twist it around a couple times till you get the desired effect, which I think that's just right. The writing is in front so that everybody can see it. And you've got these nice quads on the bottom to give it a little bit of luster and fun. Now this will retail for, remember, these are 50 cents each. 50 cents and 50 cents is $1. And then I have this quad collar at 50 cents a piece with 4, so that's another $2, so that's $3. But before I put this down and I'm finished with it, I'd like to add just a little more perceived value by using the twirls. The twirls you can buy for $1 and a little bit, and you're retailing it for $2.99. So to start the amazingness of this, I'm just going to take the little adhesive sticker off and then give it a little shake. And just before your eyes it comes to life and becomes this gorgeous ponytail. And then you're just going to find the sweet spot of the balloon and stick that on quite well so it doesn't come off. And now look what you have here. So this is $3, $4, $5, a $6 retail. It's what you can charge for this, and you probably have $1.25 made into this. If you want to add a little more perceived value, you can always put a couple balloons at the base of this, adding an additional $2. So instead of this selling for $6 more than what you usually do, it would be additional $8. And I think that's worth every single penny. Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you for joining me today, and have a beautiful day.